Is China Automotive Systems stock presenting a buying opportunity? Should I buy CAAS stock? As you can see, CAA stock or China Automotive Systems Inc. is up 68.93% today, the 30th of November 2020. And it has been doing so. I know the last trading session, it was up. Okay, it was, yes, it just pulled back from the last. It's just sprung up from a pullback that. Okay, the last trading session was not a pullback, but a pullback occurred recently. That was from the 23rd. Yes, from the 23rd, yes, to the 25th of November of November 2020. So, but certain market participants took advantage of that, and fortunately, it panned out well today. So the news is that China Automotive Systems, an automotive industry supplier, said today, 30th of November 2020, that it shipped 120,000 units of electric power steering products for use in China, or rather for use in Chinese electric vehicles so far in 2020. Among the companies using its products are SUV and pickup truck manufacturer Great Wall Street Motors, state-owned car manufacturer Cherry Automotive, Beijing Auto, Dongfeng Auto, and other companies. The company said it plans to sell 140,000 units by the year end and roughly 200,000 units by 2021. And technically speaking, CAS appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. It's outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for CAS, as measured by the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator, is waning. This means that investors are presently less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits from positions bought at lower prices. The last 10 days have seen significant volume in the CAS, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception. 37.0051 million shares have traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in the near-term trend. And you can see that the rate of price change is 113%. It's a strong indication that it is definitely bullish. And we can see from the graphics up here as well, it's in overbought territory, but it's not exactly that overbought. And in terms of valuation, when comparing the current price to the book value of CAS, it is valued rather cheaply. It is trading at 0.66 times its book value. CAAS is also cheaper than 98% of the companies listed in the same industry as it concerns price to book ratio. It is also cheaper than 97% of the companies listed in the same industry as it concerns enterprise value to EBITDA ratio. So at this point, we can't say that it is a buy. For now, that buying opportunity is not presently there. It's not there at the moment because it is rising in the market, and nobody will really tell you that it's the right time to buy at 68% increase at the high of 68.93%. Nobody really will tell you that the stock is a buy at this high. So we have actually seen that it does pull back. And hopefully it will present itself again. Unlike many of the stocks in the EV space, many of them have not really presented this sort of 2 straight days of pullbacks. So what we're looking at right now is From here, there's 470 down to 423 down to, yes, that is down to 373. So that is a loss of about $1, which, let's just put it that way. Let's put it down to about 12%. So we can see that in 2 days it did present a 12% pullback. So there's a good chance that it might also do so again. So for now, CAS is not a buy because because of this new highs it's presenting. You can see what it's saying here. New 52-week high today, the 30th of November 2020. Price reached a new 52-week high of $7.75. This exceeds the previous high of $4.98 by $2.77, and it is 443.86% above the 52-week low of $1.43. So for now, CAS is not a buy. So, but in the coming days, it might present itself. It might present a buying opportunity. Okay, so we also have a trading volume exceeding the 10-day average of 5.6 million by 1,589.71%. Okay, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching.